Okay, here's a quick little thing to up your snack game for your Christmas festivities. Get a standard jar of roasted, salted peanuts. Doesn't matter the brand, doesn't matter the anything. But just make sure they're roasted, salted. Place them on a tray, and in your smoker, start 5 charcoal briquettes. And when they're good and smoky, grab some wood chips, any type you like. Throw them on top, and basically you want to cold smoke these peanuts for, I'd say roughly 2 hours, 2.5 hours. And then that's literally it. You can dust them with a little bit of pepper if you like. And once they're done, that's it. Smoked peanuts. Done.